nanaman si Councilor Joel. So, siya na sa isunod mo ko, mo istorya. Pero generally, I'm very happy with what had happened sa Siguro. If you also ask Joel, he's generally peaceful, no untoward incident. Muna akong gilikayan na ay magsinumbagay, na ay manglabay o ka ng butilya. Wala man, I got very good reports sa Siguro, even the later parts of the Siguro nga ato nag-lift ang ban sa alcohol. So basically, you know, I will always say this, that it is the biggest, the grandest, the liveliest, and the most colorful Siguro. But of course, it is not perfect. Okay, so there are always what we will call as unforeseen circumstances na wala ta makapantay. But then, we always look at it as a learning experience, and then that kay para by next year, live mo? By next year, ako pamagya po ng mayor. So by next year, we will have a lot of changes and improvements. If you ask me, sa mga improvements, Mayor, na kinahanglan, well, first of all, tingali, I would really like to look at the guidelines, the rules and regulations. Kaya for me, it has to be overhauled. Like, one of the things that ako nakita is daghan kayo o props men. Usay na nabang props men kaysa dancers. And then that's also one of the things na makukot sa dance. Kaya mas daghan ng props men kaysa dancers. That's one. Number two, tingali ang katuang maybe ato gyapon tong padayon na we will limit the number of contingents, like gahapon we had 18 from Cebu City alone lang. Atong gatong i-trim down to 10, pero nihangi umagid sila. Hagad ni Senior Santo Niño. So sa mga bukas na maabot appeal stop time, gusto gapon sa Lusaya, which I agreed kay hagad ni Senior Santo Niño, but muna na ang ato if we have to be so strict about it, ato na lang yung limit. And muna sa ito akong nakita. And then, as regards ang mga float, we had the most number of floats this year. If I'm not mistaken, ako ito sa isinta. No, so, of course, most na cause sa delays. And then, ang problema na yung mga floats ng mga guba. Aberia. Saan mo pagpadang mekaniko dito na di man makasod ang mekaniko? Di makasod, sirado ng mga so that is one of the things that we have to also look into nga. Kung daan magaling float, we will require na yung mekaniko daan nga sunod. Diba? Among others, no? And then, kinahanglan tingali nga mo field na ta o tow trucks just in case. Along the route, ato nang i-position daan ang mga tow trucks. Kaya yung mga guwag, pirada rin. So these are the things na wala na ito ma-anticipate among others. Mumitaw nga on this Friday, I'm calling for a debriefing. Karong Friday, mag-debriefing sa Sinulog Committee and all those involved. That's on Friday. And on the 28th, one day before my birthday, we are going to have a what you call recognition day or night or whatever you want to call it para sa katong mga individuals and institutions na nakatabang pag-ayon sa pag-host na to sa Sinulog. So, among others.
Well, Mayor, ang bahan sa clothes kayo ba na may mga tato kayo sa matitakan na sa
well, actually, na-agyod unta na sila'y sizes, specifications, measurements. Pero, palagi sila musunod. So, muna nga sangit. But it's okay. Maybe next time, kay hatag mo na mo sa guidelines, we assume na musunod sila. But if they go over, kinsa naman police nila. So, tingali we should have a mechanism na before tingali nila ipanagan, amo nang makita, no? Something like that. Tanaw pa lagi nato, no? Kinaghan pagkaayo areas na maka-improve.
Next year, Mayor, we will be considering limiting the number of contingents. Mag-limit pa sa number of participants each contingent.
Yes, we will consider that. Kay mo lang ila, sana sa kung nakita na along the parade route, mas mudaghan ang tao kay approximate lang daan pag kinagagana.
Some people will comment me the SFI and the Cebu City government kay wala naka-control sa crowd, even having 7,000 policemen deployed. Were there lapses in the security?
Ibaw ka, wala mo tingin may laking mayor na naka-control ng crowd sa Sinulog in the history. It's always like that. The problem is always crowd. Di sa tingali ko makatawa nga na that is really a lapse on our part because you saw what had happened. 4 million people on the street. And as I said, no, by far this is the largest ever in the history of Cebu City. Uhaw mo kayo mga subuan makakita o makatanaw sa Sinulog. Pinanagod sa katuig o sa kita. Nag 2 years pandemic pa, plus nag 2 years pa sa SRP. Upat. No, so, muna kong ingon ba, kung revenge travel after the pandemic, nasa revenge Sinulog. Mga tao gusto din matanaw. So, it was a mixture of many things. One primarily being tagsa di kayo tao. Overwhelming tao nga niani sa Cebu City. Not only visitors, kaya tanaw na ko, dagdagan na do ang taga-syudad sa Cebu sa Diyo. Nigawas kaya ni-celebrate sa Fiesta Sinor.
Mayor, na tulog ka question ni Sensei Iris kinaglain ng labas. Ilang ipa-aki sa ko.
Wala. Hindi mo sa gabi.
First, nabasa na sa ulan. Ang kuhan daw is na-overwhelm ba itong security plan and parameters sa influx sa crowd?
Well, I will let Councilor Joel Garganera answer that because he's in charge of security. But definitely, the expected 4 million was really more than I expected.
Ang ikalawang question here is, the exit point was congested to the point na wala na flow ang parade due to VIPs coming in. Aware ba tayo?
Dili man tingaling, I was aware of the whole thing, pero dili man pirmi nga na VIP good. No? Tingali that's something makakita tingali ta og improvement in that area. We can really designate places niya mag-stick to na lang yung tanong at makasudan mga sakyanan. But si Councilor Joel can answer that.
Ang ikatulo here is, despite what happened, is CCSC still feasible for big events?
Definitely. Definitely. CCSC is still the place to go. Not unless I find a more suitable area. Diba sige mo balik-balik ka na it's not only if you take it out, the Sinulog out of the center of the city of Cebu, it's similar to taking the soul out of liberty. Ang fiesta mo na sa asa ng andan, diba? You cannot hold a fiesta layo sa imong asa ng andan. Because you look at Sunstar, you look at even Freeman, what were the headlines? The headlines were the Sinulog vibe is back. Freeman said, it's the biggest, it was the grandest. Ilang sa Pilico. Pero, I mean, no doubt, that was the biggest, that was the grandest. The Sinulog fever is back. The fiesta atmosphere is back. And people saw that. And people were happy. It was really back to where it was. So, mo na akong gingon nimo nga, it is feasible, not only because kanang physically it is still feasible, but also because we want the vibe of Sinulog to be where it should be, and that is the center of the city.
Mayor, your thoughts or comment regarding sa tulong ka mga...
Pero I will say this, no, I am open to the possibility kay namuwi na ingon. Pero in the distant future tonight, but I am open to the possibility of looking at the arena as a possible venue for the city. Looking at the possibility lang, looking at the possibility lang. Kaya, maybe in a few years' time, that is a possibility. But as of now, big because people wanted in the center of the city of Cebu. And I listened to the people and they were very happy with the result. So, just looking at that possibility.
Mayor, kapag tulong ka wala mo pa dahil sa street street dancing, tulong ka contingents from Cebu City. Unya, ang pag-back out sa barangay Kamagayan sa pag-appeal din sa Grand Luzon.
Well, ang barangay Kamagayan, in the first place, wala ginto sila ganahin mo appeal pa sa Sunday. And they signified their intention already last Friday. So, hindi ginto sila, from the very beginning, hindi ginto sila ganahin mo appeal.
Ano yung reason nila ito?
What's a bukibaw? You have to ask them. Maybe, various reasons, no? Pero you ask them, iwa ko kayo ba? Ay, balik, kibaw na si Councilor Joe. O niya, sa to?
Tulong ka mga wala ni panayan sa street.
Prerogative sa nila. I mean, if they think that it will already compromise the safety of their dancers, then that's their prerogative. They can really just pull out. No? But then again, doesn't mean to say we will not be looking for other ways next year siguro to find a way nga maka-continue din ang tanan. It was just, kanimo mo sinunugon, grabe din ang tao. I mean, 45 contingents, 62 floats, and then ang gigantes, daghan kayo. Grabe din ang kadaghan sa daghan paging tao sa dan who were all around. I mean, kapila na mo nagsinulog, did you ever experience yung anik grabe karon? Diba? If you were not prepared, then kami, we were also we were also caught surprised yung anik kadaghan dito. I mean, personally, I cannot speak for the Councilor Joel and the team. Okay.
Mayor, may buntag